Hello guys, welcome to Techno Shubham. This is Shubham and today in this video I will show you how to download the Sublime text editor in Ubuntu as well as in Windows. So let's start the video. For the Ubuntu users, go to the Ubuntu software, click on the Ubuntu software and the search bar and type Sublime text. So you will get the results. The first one you have to click on it. It's coming. Okay. So the Sublime text and there it is. It's a sophisticated text editor, markup and prose. So you have to download this one and its size is 60 MB. So it's good, nice one. So these are some reviews. You can also see that the reviews are positive. I've already downloaded it, so you have to download here. And now I'm showing it for the Windows user. So you have to go to your browser, Google, and just type Sublime text download. Just only the 3 words you have to type: Sublime text and download. So I'm typing it now, Sublime text and download. Sorry, it's download. Okay, Sublime text download and just enter. That's it. So you have to choose the first option, download Sublime text. The first one. Okay, the first one you have chosen, then it will show all the 4 types, all the 4 version with. So these are the 4 ones. First is the Mac OS X, Windows 64-bit and Linux repos. Linux users can also download from here, but I prefer them to download from the app software only. It will be more preferable from there. So Windows user, there are the 2 options you can download from there. So I prefer you to download the Windows 64-bit. It will be more good to download that one. So this one is the link for it. You have to click and just save the file. And the Linux users also can download from this if they don't mind. So that's it. So this is the Sublime Text 3, the current version of the Sublime, the latest version. This one is a good one because previously I was not using the latest version. So I'm going to show you the preview of the Sublime Text. So here it is. The down bar is for the output and the upper section is for the coding and all that you want, So here I will be coding and the output will be there in the down bar. So first I will save the file so that you can see the amazing font they provide here. So first I will just save the file as I will be doing the Hello World program, the basic one. So I will be saving hello world dot C. I think I should put an underscore there. Hello world dot C. Now save it. So now I will just enter the program hash include stdio.h. That's it. And now I will show the program that I will write. The output will be amazing. See the colors, you can see pink, yellow and all that. It's great. Very nice. So now printf hello world. Printf hello world. And to run this program you have to just go to tools there in the upright bar, tools, and then you can see build system. Here all the files are there, C single file, C++ and all are there. So we have to choose the C single file. C++ you can also do there, but this is a C program, so we'll choose C single file, build with. C single file run, we will choose the C single file run, so it also runs the program there. So C single file, see hello world finished in 4.4 seconds, very fast. So that's it. you can see here. But this can be used with other programming languages also, like see, you can see, and C++, Cargo, and all that, Java, Python, Ruby. So that's it guys for this video. If you have any doubts or queries, you can just write down in the comment box, and please do share, like and subscribe my video. Thank you guys. Thank you.